Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to embed an Excel document in Confluence. Type a / to open the quick insert menu, then type the word File to filter the options, and select Image, Video, or File from the list. The menu filters as you type, showing only the blocks that match. A panel opens on the right showing several ways to add files. You'll see options for Upload, Embed Link, Google Drive, Dropbox, and more. For this example, I'm going to click Upload to choose a file from my computer. A file picker window opens. Navigate to the folder where your Excel file is saved. In this case, I'm opening the last month folder. If you're uploading spreadsheets regularly, keeping them in a dedicated folder makes this step much quicker. Select your Excel file from the list. I'm choosing Example Messaging Contacts File.csv, and the upload begins immediately. You'll see a progress indicator while the file uploads. Then it disappears once the upload completes. The file embeds directly into your page as a preview card showing the file name and file type, and you'll see a saved indicator appear in the top right confirming your changes are stored. The preview card is interactive, so anyone with access to the page can click it to download or open the file directly. If your file doesn't show a preview card and instead appears as a plain download link, check that the file format is supported. Confluence handles Excel files with extensions like XLSX, XLS, and CSV. You can replace an embedded file later by clicking on the preview card and selecting Change Attachment from the Options menu. The embedded file updates automatically if you upload a newer version with the same file name, so you don't need to reinsert it each time you make changes. And that's how to embed an Excel document in Confluence. Thanks for watching. Hope this helped.